So let me show you how MyCaseBuilder works. What you would do is go to our website, and on our website you could find a case that you already own by brand or by features or by use, or custom size foam only if you just need the foam for a drawer or anything else like that. But here's all of the brands you could pick, and once you pick your brand in your case, I'll just switch to this other tab, it'll come up onto our design screen. With the design screen, it shows you what you can do here, even where your wheels are inside of your case if you have them. And the first thing you do is go right to our library. Our shape library has thousands of shapes inside, and you can do a search on cameras, lenses. So if I wanted, let's say, a Canon 70 to 200 lens, it comes up right over here. We'll do it with the hood reversed. Finger notches are built right into our system so that you can get the piece out of our heavy density and nice foam. So we're just going to add that in, drag and drop it wherever you want inside of your case. You could rotate it as well, and then you can see it in 3D exactly what that's going to look like in your foam, even where those wheels are inside of here. Of course, we can't have everything in our library, so you could always take a picture of your item. Take a picture top down the way you want it inside your case. So I'll just take this one right over here against a white background, and it will auto trace right around that white background as you slide. When you get a good outline, you just give it 2 dimensions to scale. Length left to right, and how deep it goes down inside of the foam. Those 2 dimensions, and you got yourself a perfect custom case. Now, you could put rectangular cutouts, circular cutouts. You could even draw your own. You know, that's for people who are a little more exacting. You could do that and put that wherever you want as well. Doesn't fit inside, so we will get rid of that one. So there's lots of features. I won't go through all of them. You can see it all in 3D. But one major feature is the tray builder. So what you can do is, on this tray builder, this case is 7.625 inches deep, but you can see that I got plenty of space under my shapes to add a lift-out tray. So I'll split that in half. So I've got my top tray, which has my cameras and my lens, and I can put my bottom tray, and I can add cutouts for batteries or whatever else you want to put inside. So you can split that up to 3 times, a top, a middle, and a bottom tray, and it makes it really easy to use all of the available space inside your case. And when you are done and ready to go, when you add it to the cart, you will be able to then choose the different options of your foams, whether it's our Top Guard PE foam that comes in different colors, our Ester foam, which is the soft foam that you're used to in Pick and Pluck, or our Pro Cell, which is our top-of-the-line soft feel foam. And then once you do that, you could also choose our Failsafe design protection. So if for any reason there's any issue with your foam, you can send it back to us, and we recut you a brand new one and ship it at no charge. So this is only $11.99. It starts at $8.99 depending on the case that it is. So that is basically the overview of how you would go through the MyCaseBuilder setup. And once you are done, that foam will get shipped out to you after being reviewed and cut, and enjoy your foam.